Do you have WhatsApp on your phone? Okay, so why aren't you making money off of WhatsApp? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be generating consistent income all from your WhatsApp. You're curious to know how to go about this? Then you should stick around. Hello, for the first timers on this channel, my name is Victor Isibo, the face behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here we talk spirituality, we talk business, we talk entrepreneurship, we talk morals, and pretty much everything that makes you a better version of yourself. If stuff like this is what interests you and brings you to YouTube, you may consider subscribing. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my subsequent uploads. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how to maximize your WhatsApp status for your business. Now, 5? Okay. I know you think 5 is not enough, so I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end of the video, okay? The bonus tip is the most powerful of the tips, so I'll give you 5 tips plus 1 bonus tip at the end of the video, and you want to stick around for that. And first of all, the WhatsApp status is a very good way and effective way, of advertising your business and putting your business out there. It's free. If you have internet connection and a smartphone and you have WhatsApp installed on it, then you don't need anybody to advertise your business for you anymore. You can be advertising your business by yourself. You don't even need a shop. Okay, you can have your goods in the house, take their pictures and put them on your WhatsApp status, and boom, you start generating income from your WhatsApp. Now, so let's jump right into the 5 tips that can help you maximize sales on your WhatsApp status. Tip number 1. Post few. Post few. Now, on your WhatsApp status, for instance, if you have 200 posts, I'm not going to be viewing all of them, except of course you're paying me to view them. That's too much work. 200 posts. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not jobless. I have things to do. So now, here is the game plan. If you have 15 items to post on your WhatsApp status, why don't you post 5 in the morning? Then in the afternoon, post 5. Then in the evening, post 5. Now, it doesn't have to follow this exact pattern. All I'm just trying to say is that don't post all your products all at once. It takes the shine off it, and people get bored easily and they have short attention span. So nobody is going to sit back and look through all your statuses all at once. So it's better you post them in batches. Okay, so you make more impact by posting in batches, little by little, little by little. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Post strategically so that you can make more impact. Tip number 2. Ever viewed statuses on your phone, like statuses of your contacts, plenty, and you see something really attractive on that status and you click on it because you want to see it, then you find out that it doesn't take you to that particular picture or video. You are seeing other stuff. Yes, that is the trick. Now, what you see on the collection of statuses, the video or picture you first of all see in the collection before you click on a particular status, is actually the last video or picture. So when you click on that particular status, don't expect to see that picture or that video that was displayed, because it's the last picture. So you'll have to see the rest of the statuses from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, before you get to the last one that you saw on the display. Yeah, so here is the trick. If you sell handbags or clothes or cars, now put them at the beginning of your statuses. Maybe you want to upload 5 statuses. Status number 1 should be your handbag, number 2 another handbag, number 3 another handbag, number 4 maybe another handbag. The 5th one, put something attractive, maybe the face of a beautiful woman, or a beautiful mansion, or a Ferrari, or a Cadillac, or something attractive, or the picture of a celebrity. Then upload the status. In the display, the last picture, which is that of that beautiful or handsome celebrity, is what people are going to see first of all. and will make them want to click. So when they now click, the first thing they will see is your bag. Your bag again in the second status, your bag in the third status, your bag in the fourth status, before they now see the picture of this celebrity. This is like clickbait. You make them want to click to see your status. So you put the most beautiful and attractive item on the last of the selection of your statuses to make them click. So when they see that beautiful picture, say, wow, see how beautiful Genevieve Naji's picture is on this status. Let me see. The moment they click, they are expecting to see Genevieve Naji. The next thing, boom, they are seeing your handbags. Boom, they are seeing your facial scrub. Boom, they are seeing your pink lip balm. Till they now get to the end and now see the picture of Genevieve Naji. Tip number 3, do not upload boring statuses. Do you know that there's a way you can edit your status on WhatsApp before you upload? Yes, it's not just about putting a picture and writing a caption underneath it that people will not read. There's a way you can design your pictures and uploads on WhatsApp status to make it attractive. See, this option is in your WhatsApp and you may not know. So let's go to the phone and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let me teach you a cool way to edit your WhatsApp status before you upload. So click on the camera icon below. Yeah, you click on that camera icon. When it opens, here is my gallery, and let me select a picture that I want to put on the status. Then let's go with this. All right, so you can click on the pen icon above here. Once you click on it, then you click on the T icon. That enables you to be able to type, yeah? So you click on it real quick. See, the tab shows up for you to type. I can just say, I am Victor. Keyboard. Right? You see? And one very cool thing about this lettering on WhatsApp is that if you tap on that T icon again, it can change the font. This like this. I tap on it again. You see cool fonts that you can have. You know, very cool fonts. Like let's go with this fanciful font. Okay. Yeah, you see, I am Victor Isibo. Now you can add additional text, you know, by clicking the emoji, sign, the highlighted emoji sign here. You click on that emoji sign. You are going to be having different shapes, okay, with which you can write and give further information about your content. Okay, now let's click on this. Let's click on this conversational icon here. Let's use this one, the highlighted, the circled one. Let's use it. So what we do is just to, you know, click on it. You click on it, then you can lower it a little bit below the formal lettering, and you know, drag it wide so that you have a perfect square. Yeah. Now you have a perfect square. Okay. So now you can go back to the pen icon, you know, just to write something that you're going to put in that box below. A YouTuber. You can say, I am a YouTuber. So it's whatever you do. If you are a blogger, if you are a boutique owner, if you sell groceries, you can write whatever you want to write there. Then you see this color selection here, the highlighted one. It helps you, you know, when you move up and down it changes the color of your lettering. So that's the purpose. And we are going to select the color of this I'm a YouTuber I wrote now by, you know, engaging with it. Okay, let me go for red. Let me go for red. Yeah, so red it is. Yeah, so I can now take the lettering to, you know, the square that I made earlier. You see, this is beautiful. This is beautiful and better than you just simply coming to this side, this place that I highlighted with arrow to write plenty things and plenty descriptions. That's so old school. Okay, so this edit is more fanciful. Okay, the edit is more fanciful, it's more engaging, it's more beautiful. So the more beautiful your WhatsApp status is, the higher the likelihood of people engaging with it. You know, so you need to make it catchy. Okay, so you can keep working at this and come up with something even better than this. Now you know how to design your WhatsApp status to make it more catchy, more attractive. People will love to look forward to your next status because it's not just ordinary and old school like the rest of them. Your statuses stand out, so your contacts are always looking forward to seeing your next upload. Yeah? Tip number 4, the purpose of putting up a WhatsApp status is because you want a lot of your contacts to see them. So why are you putting up WhatsApp status in the morning of a weekday, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., when people are getting ready to go to work? Some people are getting their kids set for school run. You're putting up WhatsApp status. They're not going to view it at that time. So you have to be strategic about the time you put up WhatsApp statuses. Between 12 and 1 is lunch break for those that are working. Yes, that's a good time for you to upload your WhatsApp status. More and more people are relaxed and they're pressing their phone at that point in time. And of course, as from 5 p.m. For people that have 9 to 5 jobs, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. till maybe 10 at night, it's also a good time to upload your WhatsApp status because people are more relaxed from they are in the comfort of their homes and they're just relaxing after the day's hustle. So that's a good time as well to upload WhatsApp status and get more and more people to engage with your content. Tip number 5, post more pictures than videos. And this is very effective because it saves you more data, you know, to upload pictures. It is faster to upload than videos. And for your intended viewers, your targeted viewers, if their network is not so strong and is fluctuating, videos would take longer to load. And when people try to view a status and it's taking too long to load, they will just slide through. They will not see it. So pictures are faster to load than videos. So upload more of pictures than videos. Now to the bonus tip for all my beautiful people. Bonus. Yeah. So now the bonus tip here is that you are a businessman, you are a businesswoman. You should be amiable. You should be social. Now, make sure that everybody you meet, you have the opportunity to meet people, interact with them, get their phone numbers, let them have your own phone number as well. Let them save it as well. So now, what you're trying to do is to build your contact list. So the more people you have their numbers and they have your numbers, the more and more people that will be seeing your WhatsApp status. I have a friend who is an estate agent. You know, he has lots of contacts of many people and many people have his contacts everywhere. Now, his status enjoys sometimes 2,000 views, 1,500 views. Now, the more people that see your advertisements, the higher the likelihood that they may make a purchase. So now this guy has even taken it beyond just advertising his own products alone. People actually pay him to upload their businesses. Yes, the guy is making money. He's going to tell you that whatever you advertise through me, at least 2,000 people are going to see it. So when you meet people, be amiable, be friendly, make sure they get your phone numbers and make sure you have their phone numbers as well. Socialize and interact. It will lead to higher WhatsApp status views. I hope you learned something from this video. Share it with every entrepreneur you know. Let them upgrade their business through WhatsApp status, which is free. Give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it for more and more entrepreneurs. Till I see you next time with another powerful video, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.